The last class we are discussing about the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. Okay. Let's see in that one important electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene is electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. One important electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. What is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? So Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is nothing but benzene reacts with alkyl halides RX. This RX is called alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Okay, X is halogens, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Okay, dear students, whenever benzene reacts with alkyl halides to forms alkyl benzene in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst is known as a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. For example, let's see that benzene. Okay, students, this is the benzene. Benzene reacts with one simple alkyl halide is methyl chloride, CH3 bond Cl. Here printing mistake, dear students. CH3 bond Cl, methyl chloride or chloromethane. In the presence of AlCl3, aluminum trichloride is the catalyst. Okay, students. Now, in this reaction, this AlCl3 is the aluminum trichloride is the catalyst will helps to generation of electrophile. The electrophile is CH3 plus. CH3 plus methyl carbocation. If carbon having positive charge, it is called carbocations. So that carbocation's nature is what, dear students? Electrophile. It is a methyl, simple primary carbocation. Then this CH3 plus will be attacked at any one of the carbon of benzene ring and loss of H plus. Already that mechanism we are discussed. Then we'll get methyl benzene CH3 plus HCl. Methyl benzene, its common name or IUPAC name is also known as toluene. Okay, this R plus CH3 are kept means CH3 bond C6H5, toluene or methyl benzene we got. Instead of methyl chloride, if you are taking another important one more alkyl group is CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. If you are taking, then it able to produce stable electrophile or stable carbocation is CH3 bond CH2 plus ethyl carbocation. This ethyl carbocation is primary carbocation. Okay, students, primary carbocation, and either this is also primary carbon and both are primary carbons only. It is a primary carbon and it is also primary carbon. That's why no rearrangement takes place and generates a stable carbocation, that is primary only. The product is benzene attached CH2 bond CH3, ethyl benzene we will get it. Okay, students, let's see the same way the benzene reacting with CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond Cl. 1-chloropropane in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst. Now, after generation, first it generates the electrophile is propyl carbocation, CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 plus. It is primary carbocation, but it can able to form secondary carbocation. It is unstable and rearranged to gives hydrogen shifting, hydrogen shift to form stable carbocation CH3 CH plus bond CH3. secondary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation is stable. That's why it is rearranged product will form. Instead of N-propyl benzene, isopropyl benzene is the major product. CH3 bond CH3. This is the major product. Means because this product is rearranged product. But what we thought, if you are thinking normally, then we thought this product. Without rearrange means straight alkyl group. CH2 bond CH3 will thought. Means is not forming. Means 1, 2, 3. 1 phenyl propane is not forming. But 1, 2, 3 means 2 phenyl propane is the major product instead of this. Why this product is major means because of primary carbocation is unstable, then immediately it contains secondary carbon is also present. This is a primary carbon and it is secondary carbon and it is also primary carbon. So this alkyl halide having secondary carbon is there, but the given alkyl halide is primary alkyl halide. First initially the chlorine and carbon bond will be breaks to forms less stable or unstable primary carbocation will form. Then hydrogen will be shifting takes place to forms more stable secondary carbocation. Then that carbocation, the secondary carbocation will be attached to the benzene ring and produce corresponding product is the major product. That product is 2-phenyl propane or isopropyl benzene. Its name is isopropyl benzene. Okay, students, is the major product. Means especially in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions, rearrangement takes place when that carbocation, for example, the initially formed carbocation is primary. If the rest of the molecule contains secondary or tertiary is present, then the hydrogen or methyl group shifting takes place and produce corresponding more stable carbocation intermediate. The resultant product is the major product. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions, rearrangement takes place. Okay, students, understood? Yes. Let's listen one more example I will give you. For example, benzene. We know very well this benzene reacts with 2-chloropropane. CH3 bond CH bond Cl bond CH3. Its name is 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane. Okay, students, this 2-chloropropane in the presence of AlCl3 catalyst. In the presence of AlCl3 catalyst, then this carbon and halogen bond will be breaks and produce stable carbocation. The electrophile is directly it produce secondary carbocation electrophile. And it is stable. It is stable. That's why it does not undergo any rearrangement, and the product is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is formed. See, the 2-chloropropane produce isopropyl benzene is the major product. Okay, and CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond Cl, 1-chloropropane is also produce the same product. Why? 1-chloropropane produce this isopropyl benzene is the major product because of it undergoes rearrangement to forms stable secondary carbocation. The resultant product is a major product. So these conditions we need to understand. It's very, very important example. Okay, don't think this product. Another product is what is the chance to form another product without rearrange, that is CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3. It's not possible. This product is not possible. Why this product is not possible? Because this 1-chloropropane undergoes rearrange. Hydrogen shifting takes place to produce more stable secondary carbocation intermediate. Now the electrophile is more stable secondary carbocation. It will be attached to the benzene ring and produce the major product is isopropyl benzene. So this is about this rearrangement takes place in the presence of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. Okay, students, I hope you understood. Yes, this Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions also we carried out in the presence of some other important reagents. Let's see. Some other important reagents means benzene. Alkyl benzene also we can prepare. Benzene reacts with ethene. In presence of acidic medium. In presence of acidic medium, this acid first it will be attached to the ethene. Produce the electrophile is CH3 bond CH2 plus ethyl carbocation intermediate will forms or electrophile will forms. It will be attached to the benzene ring and produce ethyl benzene. Instead of this same Friedel-Crafts alkylation product also we can prepare when benzene reacts with alcohols CH3 CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol in presence of acidic medium. In the presence of acidic medium, the OH group is electron rich group. It abstracts this H plus ion, produce CH3 CH2 OH2 positive charge. To decrease this positive charge, this bond will be breaks and loss of water molecule and produce ethyl carbocation electrophile. This ethyl carbocation electrophile is attacking to the benzene ring and produce ethyl benzene. Means alkyl benzene is the product. So this alkyl benzene we can prepare alkenes in acidic medium or alcohols in acidic medium when they reacts with benzene ring and produce corresponding alkyl benzene. Corresponding alkyl benzene is the product. Okay, students, this alkyl benzene we can prepare by using Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, as well as benzene reacts with alkenes or alcohols in a acidic medium and also produce alkyl benzene. Okay, students. Yes, listen carefully. One more very important electrophilic substitution reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, so in the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction means what it is, dear students? Benzene reacts with acetyl chloride or acyl chloride or C double bond O X. This X is maybe you are taking chlorine, then acyl chloride. This is acyl chloride. In the presence of AlCl3, produce the electrophile is acetyl group or C double bond O plus. This carbon having positive charge, it will be attached to the benzene ring and corresponding product is aromatic ketone. Okay, students, let's see one example. Benzene reacts with acetyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl, acetyl chloride. In the presence of AlCl3, the product is acetophenone. The product is acetophenone. Okay, now another important reaction of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Benzene reacts with benzoyl chloride. Means that R place benzene ring I kept. It is called acetyl chloride. Its name is benzoyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl chloride. In the presence of AlCl3, then the electrophile is benzoyl carbocation. This is the electrophile. It will be attached to the benzene ring and produce benzophenone. Means two benzene rings are connected with a C double bond O group. Two benzene rings are connecting. Okay, students. Then it is called a benzophenone. Okay, benzophenone is the product. Very important Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now, one important conversion I will tell you, dear students. Is important for JEE and NEET examination. And one more important thing is, in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, no rearrangement. No rearrangement. No rearrangement takes place. Means rearrangement does not take place. Rearrangement reactions does not take place. But in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions, rearrangement takes place to form more stable electrophile intermediate wind forms. Now, for example, benzene. Okay, how this benzene converted into N-propyl benzene. Otherwise, how this benzene converted into N-propyl benzene? Okay, first this we'll see. And directly we know very well how this benzene converted into isopropyl benzene. This isopropyl benzene, do you want means treated with either 1-chloropropane or 2-chloropropane. CH3 CH2 bond CH2 bond Cl. 1-chloropropane or 2-chloropropane. CH3 CH2 bond 2-chloropropane. Then we'll get isopropyl benzene. But what I am asking, how to prepare N-propyl benzene? For example, you are doing Friedel-Crafts alkylation directly, means we will get only isopropyl benzene, but N-propyl benzene it is not possible. Now, for this product, I am doing first acylation followed by reduction. Then we can get N-propyl benzene. First, let's see that benzene reacts with acyl chloride, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, Cl. 3 carbons containing acyl halide, acyl chloride. Means 1, 2, 3. Propanoyl chloride. Propanoyl chloride. This reacts in the presence of AlCl3. Now the electrophile is propanoyl ion. This is the electrophile. It will be attached the benzene ring, and the product is C double bond O, CH2 bond CH2 bond CH3. Sorry. Three carbons with C double bond O group. Alkyl, one side phenyl group, another side alkyl group. One phenyl propanone is the product. Means ketone is formed. Okay, this ketone already we are discussed in alkanes preparation method. Either Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction or Clemmensen reduction reaction you have to do. Zinc amalgam ZnHg, zinc amalgam by HCl means Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. Then what is the Clemmensen reduction reaction, dear students? In the Clemmensen reduction reaction, this C double bond O group treated with ZnHg, zinc amalgam by HCl, and produce CH2 bond CH2, alkane will get. Like the C double bond O group is converted into CH2 group. Okay, now the product is 3 carbon straight chain will comes. Means its name is N-propyl benzene. So straight chain containing alkyl groups do you want on benzene ring? Then what we have to do? First we have to do Friedel-Crafts acylation followed by Clemmensen reduction or Wolff-Kishner reduction. Then that C double bond O group is converted into CH2 group. It's very, very important NEET and JEE question. Okay, students, let's see the remaining chemical properties of benzene. Mainly benzene under special conditions involved in addition reactions. Under special conditions involved in addition reactions. Generally, benzene very rarely involving in addition reaction. Under special conditions, it involved in few addition reactions only. That's why the benzene addition reactions are different when compared to alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes. Okay, students. First, addition of hydrogen. Under special conditions, benzene contains 3 double bonds are present. Okay. 3 double bonds. That's why 3 molecules of H2 we are taking in either in the presence of nickel or platinum catalyst. Nickel or platinum catalyst. Then the double bonds are converted into single bonds. Then the product is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is the product. That is addition of hydrogen or hydrogenation of benzene. Hydrogenation of benzene. Now the second one is, second addition reaction is addition of chlorine. Addition of chlorine. Addition of chlorine. Okay, students, like hydrogen plus chlorine will comes. See this benzene, upon addition of 3 molecules of chlorine in the presence of sunlight, then we'll get each double bond becomes single bond. At that place, chlorine atom will comes. Cl and Cl and Cl and Cl. Its name is hexachlorobenzene or hexachlorocyclohexane, or commonly it is called as benzene hexachloride, BHC, benzene hexachloride, or hexachlorocyclohexane, or another important names are gamaxin or 666, 666 or lindane. These are the common names. So benzene upon reacts with chlorine molecules, see 3 chlorine molecules in the presence of sunlight, that chlorine molecules are adding on each double bonded carbon atoms. Like 6 chlorine will be attached to the benzene ring. Then it becomes hexachlorocyclohexane, or commonly called as benzene hexachloride. Shortcut is BHC. We are using gamaxin powder for killing of ants and all. That's why it is used as an insecticide. insecticide. It's commonly we are calling the commercial name is Gamaxin or Linden. The commercial name is Gamaxin or Linden. So these are the main two important addition reactions. Another important addition reaction is addition of ozone. Addition of ozone. Let's see, dear students, addition of ozone. So benzene contains 3 double bonds are present. That's why it is adding 3 molecules of ozone. It's taking 3 molecules of ozone. 3O3 to form triozonide. If you are observe that triozonide formula is being like this. Triozonide. This is ozonide, triozonide. This triozonide further hydrolysis. We are doing hydrolysis in the presence of zinc metal. Why we are taking zinc metal, dear students? The zinc reduces the byproduct H2O2 into water and zinc oxide. That's why to prevention of oxidation, further oxidation, we are doing hydrolysis in the presence of zinc metal. That is called reductive ozonolysis reaction. It is called reductive ozonolysis. Ozonolysis reaction. Reductive ozonolysis reaction. So 1 mole of benzene reacting with 3 moles of ozone. That's why it indicates that benzene contains 3 double bonds. Benzene contains 3 double bonds. The product, if you are understanding that, what is the product is upon hydrolysis C, like product will forms. The product is 3 molecules of CHO bond CHO, glyoxal. Glyoxal is the product. Or ethane 1,2 diol, CHO all, ethane 1,2 diol, like this is the product. Dialdehyde is the product, 3 molecules of dialdehyde. Okay, students, but it indicates what this ozonolysis reaction proves that benzene having 3 pi bonds, 3 double bonds are present, but these 3 double bonds are not similar to the double bonds present in alkenes and alkynes. Double bond present in alkenes and alkynes. Why? It is very different compared to aliphatic double bonds, means because benzene, you have to take benzene. If benzene having double bonds, the double bonds are similar to the alkenes or alkynes, it must undergoes addition reaction with bromine water, or must undergoes addition reaction with bromine. But this brown color not disappearing, means no reaction. As well as alkaline KMNO4. Alkaline KMNO4. Also no reaction, and does not involve in the addition of hydrogen halides. Benzene does not react with the addition of hydrogen halides. It is also no reaction. These reactions indicates the double bonds present in benzene ring as well as double bonds present in alkenes and alkynes, both are different. So benzene behaves like a saturated organic compound only, because the benzene very rarely involving in addition reactions, but alkenes and alkynes always they must involved in addition reactions. Okay, how can we say it? Means benzene does not react with bromine water, and benzene does not react with alkaline KMNO4, and benzene does not involve in addition reaction with hydrogen halides or hydrogen hypohalides, HOX, hypohalides. So it indicates that the benzene containing pi bonded electrons or pi bonds different from when compared to alkenes and alkynes containing pi bonds. That's why benzene, what happened that pi electrons are involving in resonance. That's why benzene very rarely involved in addition reactions, and mainly it is involved in electrophilic addition reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, students? Yes. Let's see one more concept related to aromatic compounds or benzene and its compounds. Very, very important. Substitution effect means if benzene having substitution effect, on benzene ring. Okay, students, substitution effect, already this we are discussed in some basic concepts of chemistry. There only we are discussed. If benzene ring having one substance is present, this is the substance. This substance is two types, either electron donating group or electron withdrawing group. If electron donating groups increases the rate of electrophilic substitution reactions and electron withdrawing groups decreases the rate of electrophilic substitution reactions. That's why the electrophilic substitution reactions rate is electron donating groups fast when compared to benzene, and then electron withdrawing groups.